Yeah, I found this little gadget in the skip. I was walking toward my house, um, and I saw this thing in the skip. I went forward and asked those builders, "Can I have this?" And they said, "Oh yeah, yeah, it's so rubbish." So to me, it's like solar panel. It's a little plate of solar panel. Ah, and so all the writing is all gone. It's mm 70077. Apart from that, there's nothing much I can see. And let's have a look what's in there. That's a battery. Oh, still in good shape. It says NICD naked battery 1.2 600 milliamps. So that actually is another word. This is a solar panel, and it must have electronics inside as charge the battery. Let's have a look. This. Okay. Oh, it was in a bad shape. I just cleaned it, make sure it's acceptable with the, you're touching it. You don't know what you're touching. So, okay. Oh, you can see the cobwebs there. Oh, this is a small electronic little charger. Looks like it's a charger. So that's output, and that is a switch. Looks like, yeah, on off switch. Oh, it does work. Well, yeah. No, it's just solid something. Probably not working. This is the battery. So that's it. That's battery, positive and negative. And so where is there it is. So that is from the solar panel going in. Oh, here. So solar panel actually sends the voltage into this uh, little electronic charger board, and then it actually charges through these uh, transistors, and it charges the battery. You have to switch it on, I think. Yeah, and then battery is charged. Once the battery is charged, so this is the output. This could be, oh, sorry, this could be LED or light or any output. Okay, so let's have a look. So if you put it in front of the light, see if there's any voltage. So what I do, I just unsolder this. Oh, no need to unsolder it, just it's so fragile, it's just breaking off anyway. So okay, see if I can put it in front of the light and see if it actually provides any current or electric, whatever. Okay. Okay. So I just put it in front of the light, and it should be DC voltage. Okay, 0 0. Can you see that? Okay, so there's too much light coming in onto it. Okay. Oh, there is a voltage. Let me get it near to the light. More light. 0.8. Okay. So the solar is charging. Yeah, it's producing electricity, as you can see. Okay. Yeah, there you are. So it's actually working. This solar panel is producing charge. There you are. So never throw away something if you can help it. Okay. Yeah, can you see? Can you see the meter? Yeah. Okay, that's it. So I'm going to just keep coming out. Okay. So this, goodness. So that is LED. That's output, and that is solar panel going in. I have to actually draw a circuit diagram out of it or get more familiar with it. Okay, fine. Take it off. That is the switch. That was only the switch wire left. Okay, fine. So I'm gonna go in my workshop. Look, it's some sort of spillage or some sort of deposit on it. Okay. Let's try to clean it. There you are. So, look at this. These transistors, you can see, it's come off. So, let's have a look if the transistor is working. Okay. So rusted. I can't see anything there. See if it might be rusted. Okay. Just too small. Okay, right. I think it looks like it's open circuit. Okay, let me check with that one. No. Okay, now it's completely dead. Yeah, there's no connection to it. Anyway, what is it? I can't even see. Okay. No, can't see. I need to get a bigger amplified, bigger glasses, I suppose, to find it. But I can't see anything written there. But anyway, this is it. So I looked into this transistor. I will change the transistor in the second episode. This seems to be okay. Let's have a look. This transistor. Yeah, oh. But this one, yeah. I don't know, is it a transistor or is it? Yeah, it is transistor. Anyway, well, yeah, I will look into it and I will see you in a second episode. This is absolutely fragile. It's probably been off a long time somewhere. Okay, that is LED. That is this. Okay, that's B1.